us at the time to show that indeed I went to Manila also for a medical checkup at the time. So that is why I was informed that you will be marked absent. And that is in accordance with the rules except for health reasons. So that is why before it is the minutes will be approved, I am already presenting what happened last session. Thank you.
Thank you for that information.
Considering, Madam Chair, that this involves the internal rules of procedure, may I request a ruling on this matter, Madam Chair? Kindly rule on this matter, on the absence of Councilor Duran.
Yes, do you have something to add, Dr. Jerome?
Anyway, Madam Chair, in the internal rules as stated, would mark members of the City Council absent if they do not return before the adjournment. However, there is a simple exception where for health reasons or for emergencies, such rule would be relaxed. Anyway, this involves internal rules, so may I request a ruling on this matter, Madam Chair?
Anyway, after this happened last week, the staff directly approached the floor leader on this matter. And since nga naka-lisensya ka daw kay floor leader, pero unexcusable ko no, kay flight ang reason. But then again, because of your reason right now, this morning, sige, I will be lax for this instance, pero I hope nga next time, lisensya ka mo na lang sa floor leader plus me, para at least aware man kami kung diin ka mo makadto after that. Okay?
Thank you, Madam Chair. We may now proceed. I would like to move that the reading for the minutes of the September 24, 2025 regular session be dispensed with, and that the same be approved. So moved.
It has been duly seconded. It's hereby approved.
We may now proceed to the privileged speech of Councilor Sedfrey Cabaluna, entitled "Past Due: The Financial Viability of Transport Cooperatives." For this item,